Hi guys, today we're going to talk about nature. Let's get started. This is a beautiful tree. Can you see how little leaves are coming out and they started being yellow? Alright, let's go on. This is pine cone. Pine cone. Let's go on. This is pine tree. This is pine tree. And here's the big one. This is flowers. Flowers. And this is a bush. Bush. Can you see that the bush a little bit bigger than a grass, but smaller than a tree? This is grass. Grass. And now is your homework. Draw a beautiful picture with the grass, trees, and bushes, and whatever you want on it, and send it to me. I'll be waiting for it with a pleasure, alright? Bye-bye!